Providing feedback based on watching your students perform CPR can be challenging. The next generation of Little Anne includes CPR measurement and feedback technology that takes the guesswork out of instruction. Using a Bluetooth connection, it's quick and easy to set up. Then begin your course. Little Anne CPR provides you with live feedback on a number of CPR performance parameters. This allows you to provide an objective, reliable assessment to ensure that high-quality CPR is being learned by each of your students. With this objective overview of several students at the same time, you can see in a glance who needs help and with what. CPR feedback parameters include compression rate, compression depth, compression release, and ventilation volume. Not only can you easily see performance, but areas for improvement are suggested. Is one of your students compressing too slowly or not deeply enough? Is your student ventilating correctly? Are compressions fully released? By showing students exactly what they need to work on, it's easy for them to make adjustments and watch their improvement directly on the screen. The interactive element improves both learner engagement and motivation. Both real-time feedback during the session and debriefing afterwards are valuable tools for improving CPR performance. You can display your training and debriefing sessions on a television screen using Apple TV screen mirroring. During debriefing, students receive an overall score as well as more detailed assessment of their performance. Little Anne CPR can also be used with the Skill Guide, a lightweight portable feedback device. It's also possible for students to use the Little Anne CPR Learner app on their iPhone or Android to work in pairs or practice on their own. Little Anne CPR includes measurement and feedback to improve the quality of your CPR training. Little Anne CPR will not only make your job easier, but also improve the performance of your students, helping save more lives.